Umentri badikami yaktanat kampoi yang ka Sorkar jelau pa lakmen remboi loong bakalanti banpoi sakami yakren mat ka Trap National Liberation Council HNLC kanlong nakabasuk basain kanang ban pentikna baka shongsuk shongsaiñ kanwan phai ha chala kuman sugdo ka Sorkar jela kalathung do ba PS dekar uban mi khamat saka jingïakren yesuk kat ba ka HNLC pan kalathung do ba sadon bla president ka HNYF.
The government of Meghalaya have the determination that no issue could not be resolved if we could talk on the table. So this process has started. As you know, that the HNLC have agreed to talk with the government unconditionally, and they have nominated Sadon Bla as the representative, and we from the government have nominated PS Khar, retired IAS, as our representative, and so that the talk could happen and reach its logical conclusion. So we from the state of Meghalaya, it's not the question of safe passage or anything. We will do everything to see that the talk could happen in a conducive atmosphere. Talk could happen in an atmosphere where mutual trust, confidence is there, so that peace in the state of Meghalaya could be able to achieve. Whether they are here or they are there or they are anywhere, I don't reply on that. My issue is that the talk should start, and it should reach its logical conclusion.